Hey everyone, welcome to Guide with Samuel. Want people to pay you with just a scan? Here's how to find and share your personal PayPal QR code in 2025. Step 1. Open your PayPal app and log in. Step 2. On the home screen, tap the More button, 3 dots or menu icon. Step 3. Tap on Receive Payment, or look for the QR code section. Step 4. Your unique PayPal QR code will appear. Step 5. Tap Share to send it via email, message, or social media. Step 6. You can also download and print your QR code for physical use in a store or event. Use this for instant payments. No need to type emails or phone numbers. Your code is tied to your PayPal account, so always check it's correct before sharing. And that's how to find your PayPal QR code. Hit like and subscribe for more smart PayPal tutorials from Guide with Samuel.